Hello, and welcome back to Health Journey. Today, we're cracking open a tiny treasure trove of nutrition, pumpkin seeds. These little green gems are not just snacks, they're superfoods packed with nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats. Imagine finding a single ingredient that can boost your energy, support your immune system, and even enhance your skin, all without breaking the bank. Pumpkin seeds are that secret weapon. In this video, we'll explore 10 creative and healthy ways to use pumpkin seeds in your daily life. Have you ever used pumpkin seeds in your meals? Let us know in the comments below how you enjoy them. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health Journey for more health tips and hacks. 1. Snack on them raw or roasted. The simplest way to enjoy pumpkin seeds is to snack on them straight out of the bag. Why it's great. Raw seeds retain their full nutritional profile, while roasted seeds bring out a nutty flavor. Add a sprinkle of sea salt or spices like paprika for extra zest. Health benefits. A handful of pumpkin seeds can provide a quick energy boost and curb cravings. They're a great source of protein and healthy fats. Do you prefer your pumpkin seeds raw or roasted? Share your flavor ideas in the comments. 2. Sprinkle them on salads. Elevate your salads by adding a crunchy topping of pumpkin seeds. How to use. Toss a tablespoon of seeds over your greens for added texture and flavor. They pair beautifully with vinaigrettes or creamy dressings. Health benefits. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which supports immune health. Adding them to your salad boosts its nutrient content. 3. Blend them into smoothies. Transform your morning smoothie with a nutrient-packed scoop of pumpkin seeds. How to use. Blend a tablespoon of raw seeds with your favorite fruits, greens, and plant-based milk. Health benefits. The seeds add protein, magnesium, and healthy fats, making your smoothie more filling and energizing. 4. Make pumpkin seed butter. Move over peanut butter. Pumpkin seed butter is creamy, delicious, and nutritious. How to make. Blend roasted pumpkin seeds with a drizzle of olive oil until smooth. Add a pinch of salt or a touch of honey for flavor. Uses. Spread it on toast, drizzle over pancakes, or use it as a dip for fruits. Pumpkin seed butter is allergen-friendly, making it a great alternative for those with nut allergies. 5. Add to homemade granola. Homemade granola gets a nutritious upgrade with pumpkin seeds. How to use. Mix seeds with oats, honey, and dried fruits. Bake until golden brown. Health benefits. Pumpkin seeds add crunch and boost the granola's fiber and mineral content, keeping you full for longer. 6. Use as a bread topping. Add a gourmet touch to your homemade bread by incorporating pumpkin seeds. How to use. Sprinkle them over the dough before baking for a crunchy crust. Health benefits. Besides looking beautiful, the seeds enhance the bread's nutritional value with extra protein and healthy fats. 7. Mix into soups. Pumpkin seeds make an excellent garnish for soups, especially creamy varieties like butternut squash or tomato soup. How to use. Lightly toast the seeds and sprinkle them over your soup just before serving. Health benefits. They add a satisfying crunch and a dose of heart-healthy magnesium. 8. Create a seed mix for snacks. Combine pumpkin seeds with sunflower seeds, dried fruits, and nuts for a customizable trail mix. Why it's great. Perfect for on-the-go snacking. This mix provides a balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Health benefits. Pumpkin seeds in your trail mix help regulate blood sugar levels and keep hunger at bay. 9. Bake them into desserts. Pumpkin seeds can take your desserts to the next level. Ideas: add them to cookies, muffins, or energy bars. Their nutty flavor complements both chocolate and vanilla. Health benefits: even in desserts, pumpkin seeds provide zinc, which supports skin health and healing. Engagement prompt: what's your favorite pumpkin seed dessert? Let us know in the comments. 10. Make a pumpkin seed pesto. Give traditional pesto a twist with pumpkin seeds. How to make: blend pumpkin seeds with basil, garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Uses: toss it with pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a dip. Health benefits: this pesto is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, making it as nutritious as it is delicious. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a seasonal snack. They're a versatile superfood that can enhance your meals and snacks in countless ways. From smoothies to soups, salads to pesto, the possibilities are endless. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Health Journey for more health inspiration. See you in the next video.